Let's take this new trike out for a test drive.
Looks good.
This is the newest with all the the new changes. The all LED headlights. This has got the new. It's got a pretty interesting thing. The mirror acts like a mirror until you turn it on reverse, and it must have like one-way glass, but it turns itself into a rear view backup camera. And people were asking, they wanted a dome light for nighttime, so we added that. And this one's got the lithium battery pack in it, so it's good for about 100 miles. And with the lighter battery pack, it's got more acceleration than the lead type batteries. So let's take it for a drive. All these potholes from the winter. I'm just going to run up this way, up this slight grade, just check the acceleration, and then we'll take it down the road a ways. Acceleration's good. Of all the days we want to do the open sport trike, we go out on a freezing winter day. It'd be nice to have the one with the doors and the heater today.
Yeah.
Okay. Get your picture taken. high ground clearance on this lets you go right over those speed bumps. No problem. Let's go up this short steep hill here. That'll demonstrate. It accelerates really good up here. Front end's just wide enough it keeps the wind off of it. I actually only feel cold air on the back of my head. All right, how's that?
That's good.
All right.